Hi guys, it's me Kennedy. So today, me and my mom are gonna decorate the sponge cake that we did earlier with my daddy. So I hope you enjoy it. Hi everybody, it's me Kennedy. Today we are gonna do some cooking lesson. So today, me and Mommy are gonna decorate a cake.
Hi, Mommy.
Daddy, we did this earlier. Like Daddy and me did this earlier.
Oh, what's that, Kennedy?
The cake.
Oh yeah,
SpongeBob
that's the sponge cake, right?
Yeah. And
What
here's my
about
little assistant over here.
Who's this?
Her name is Rosie.
Hello, Rosie.
I'm just gonna turn her off for a second.
And we've got another assistant behind me. Your little sister, Addison.
Yeah, that's Addison over there.
Yeah. Alright, should we get started, Kennedy?
Yeah, let's get started.
So, we will get 1 cup of icing sugar to make the frosting. Do you want to hold the cup or you want to pour?
I'll pour it.
Let me put the bowl underneath. It's easier that way.
Maybe I will drop it, that's why. Okay, so is that enough?
A little bit more.
Well, it looks like it's good. The butter is chunky now.
What are you doing there, Kennedy? It's just to recap. It's icing sugar. That's butter. What else?
Icing butter, I think.
Oh, yeah, I think little Addison wants to help out here.
Look at Mommy. She's doing it faster than me.
Here we go.
Do you know, guys? My nail just peeled off. All of it. Look, over
Oh, I
here.
think you need to get that off the table,
Get off the
Kennedy.
table, Kennedy.
Hygiene. Remember to keep your hygiene.
Well, it looks like the butter is like yellow now.
Then you put a slight bit of vanilla sugar and milk in it to collect it. No, vanilla sugar.
Oh, okay.
Go get that?
Let me go get the milk, guys. Okay. Which milk, Mommy?
You can use any of them.
Let's get a blue bowl.
Okay, this is gonna be really.
Oh, the blue box.
Got this blue milk.
Okay.
Let's put
Then
no, looks like it's chunky. It looks like we're making yellow ice. This looks so chunky. Here, guys, look at it. Looks so like we're making yellow icing, guys. That looks so like chunky.
now it's coming together, right?
It looks like that we're making whipped cream.
There you go. And
That
then
doesn't look like enough for our whole cake, right?
No, it doesn't actually. You might have to get a bit more.
Yeah, I think so too, Mommy. This is so hot.
That's vanilla sugar.
So, what ingredients is it so far?
It's like butter, milk,
What else, Kennedy?
like
Icing sugar.
icing sugar.
And we just put in some, was it vanilla?
Yeah.
To give it a nice vanilla taste.
I don't know if there's enough for us, for the cake, guys.
I think it should be enough for the small cake, right?
Yeah, I guess so. But the big cake,
To make, if you want to make something different.
So we've got a baby cake
and there's a big cake.
and a big cake.
Would you like to taste?
Sure.
No, don't stick your finger in. Okay.
I wish you could taste it, guys. It tastes delicious.
Oh,
Okay.
Chef Kennedy.
It tastes like.
We should get you a chef set.
Okay.
Alright, let's have a look at this cake.
Oh my
Whoops!
goodness.
Addison just had a little fall.
Oh. Be careful over there.
Here's the first cake, guys.
Okay, don't touch the cake.
Let's have a little look at this one. This is what Kennedy made earlier on.
It looks flat. It's our first time doing a sponge cake.
Yeah, so it's not too bad first time.
Oh my gosh.
Now, do you want to put some coloring in the frosting?
Sure.
Or do you want to keep it white?
Pink, 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 pink.
I want to do a coloring.
Okay, go get the coloring in the cupboard.
What color, Kennedy?
I will see what color they have. Which color again?
Over there in the corner.
Here?
Yeah.
Where's
On the fourth shelf from the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4. Are you the colors?
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Oh, 3. There's 3 cakes.
So you have vanilla essence, you have vinegar and olive oil,
And we got red.
and you got red. So there's only one option right now.
Ashley, what are you doing over there? Are you gonna destroy? I think I'll do red.
Okay. So how about you put a little drop in here? Just a
Ooh.
little drop.
Look at
That's
that.
it.
It's going to be nice and red.
And then we see.
Can I
Do you want
mix
to, yeah, of course you can. It's your cake.
Stir, stir.
Whoa, it looks like it's
I
turning
think we need
pink.
some more color in there.
Just
Yeah.
let's stir this first, and then we see
Oh my
how it
gosh.
turns out.
This is.
It looks
pretty
like
pink.
pink.
Is this enough, guys, for these cakes?
I don't know. I think we need
What,
a
the
little.
color or the quantity?
The quantity.
No, it's only gonna fit this first one.
Oh, so why don't we make some more?
I think we need a little
But
bit
this is
more.
a good for test. We don't. As long as we do one good
I
one.
don't think we need any more coloring.
Yeah.
No,
What you could do is you could do a smiley face on there, Kennedy.
You want to add more coloring to it?
No, I think that's red.
That's pink.
That's enough, isn't it? You sure, Kennedy?
I don't know. I'll just add a little drop.
That's a lot of drops.
That's just 2 drops. Oh, it looks like a hot pink.
It is a hot pink now.
Okay, it's a hot red.
No, it looks pink to me.
Look at that, guys.
Okay.
It looks.
Alright.
Oh, you put a few more drops.
Okay, so this.
I think that's enough.
I think
Look,
now-
Look at this, guys. It's a pretty
We need
hot
to-
pink. Look at all this. Wonder what it will taste like when it's red, right? I wonder what it tastes like if it's red.
Okay. Alright, this is very strong, the color right now. Just
Look at this, guys. It's hot.
it's actually stuck now to the table.
I did it by accident.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm sure we can get that out.
Okay. So then the first thing you do is you spread it over
Look at this.
like this.
This.
Oh, what's going off down there? Hey guys, if you heard that noise, and this is little Addison. She's doing her own thing down there.
Yeah, she's doing lots of wrong.
She'll do the next video. Kennedy and Addison.
Maybe we can stop her doing that, Mommy. That was. Ow! Oh my gosh. She's a.
You want to add some more?
Don't worry, that Kennedy. Just focus on there.
Okay, let's see.
Do you want me to give you a little bit more?
Yeah, I think a little bit more. I keep getting it on my hand. I wish you could taste this, guys. It looks so cool.
Let's see. Oh, let's focus, focus, focus. Stay still. Let me see that. Yeah.
There you go, Kennedy.
Thank you. That looks too much. Okay, put a little drop in there. Oh, it looks so hot pinky. So we're there. Let's just spread it a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I keep getting on my hands. It looks good to me.
Nice and pink.
Oh my gosh, look what I did. I got
wanna-
pink on my hand, everybody.
Should we
I got pink on my hand.
That's gonna be difficult to come off right away. Alright, there you have it. Kennedy's first sponge cake.
Let's do a smiley face
Very nice.
on the other.
Should we do a quick smiley face on this one?
Sure.
Do you...
How will we do a
How
smiley
much you got
face?
left? You've got
Not enough left to make a smiley face.
Want to do a smiley face, Kennedy?
And then you got 2.
Or a sad face?
There's so much ice.
Or you should have saved some white icing, then you could have done a face there. Here we go, guys. This is Kennedy's extra large sponge cake.
No, can I try?
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna get a little bit more. Just...
Are they the eyes or the mouth? Is that the ears?
No, that's the eye. And then a nose. And then the smiley face. It's gonna be the hard part. Lipstick on it. I think we have not enough for a smiley face, but we can do a long smiley face. I keep getting. Oh my gosh.
So, I think that's it, really. Is that your smiley face?
Yeah, I wish you could smell it, guys. Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that it?
So we're gonna end it here. So comment down below if you want to smell it. I think you won't like it. So I hope you click the bell below. Hope you watch our videos again. And hope you subscribe to our channel. Bye guys. Hope you enjoy my video. Bye. To my channel guys, click the bell below.